Having clauses act like a where clause in a select statement, but for group by statements. So here I've selected customer ID, screening ID, count ID from bookings, and group by customer ID and screening ID. So if I run that, I see I have customer ID, screening ID, and the count of the ID field. But what if I only wanted to select data where customer ID was equal to 10? Well, normally I could come in here and I could add a where clause saying where customer ID is equal to 10. But here I'm getting an error, and it's saying there's an error with my SQL syntax. And that's because if we're grouping by data, then instead of using a where clause, we have to use a having clause. So I have to come in here, I have to remove where, and I have to type having instead. So group by customer ID, screening ID, having customer ID equal to 10. If I run that, you can see I now can see customer ID 10 made a booking for screening ID 6, 37, 128, 134, 187 and 205. So remember, when you're using group by clauses, you don't use where clauses afterwards, you use having. So